Hi guys, this is problem 30 from chapter 7. This was probably a very good application of using integration by parts. What I mean is this problem looks very easy at the beginning, but it's actually really interesting as it goes on. So let's get started. So first, this is the integral of u plus 1 to the cube over u squared. The first instance is we set up, well, there is already, since it's used u as the variable inside in the problem already, I'll use a and b instead. So a equals u plus 1 to the cube, and a prime therefore equals 3 times u plus 1 to the square, and b prime equals u to the negative 2, which is 1 over u to the square. Therefore b will be with negative u over negative 1, which could also be written as a negative 1 over u. So this chunk will be equals to, according to integration by part theorem, it's a times b minus the integral of a prime times b. So it's going to be negative 1 over u times u plus 1 to the cube plus, there's a 3, I'll take 3. It's plus because it's I take negative 3 out of the integral, so it's plus 3 times the integral of u plus 1 to the square over u du. Now we cannot really integrate this whole thing, so we need to use another integration by parts. And in this case, I'll set a equals, same as usual, u plus 1 to the square, and a prime is 2 times u plus 1. b prime is 1 over u, and remember this time b will be ln of the ln of absolute value of u. So this is along for the ride. So negative 1 over u plus 1 to the square, and I'll write it in fully, 3 times ln of u plus 1 square minus 2 times the integral of ln u plus 1 du. Now everybody gets tired because after you do the integration by part for the second time, it still doesn't simplify at all, and ln u times u plus 1 seems hard. You cannot do it immediately either because you have ln in there. But remember, you never give up on math, so keep doing a third integration by parts, and this time be very careful with multiplication. So a equals to ln of u, and a prime equals to 1 over u. b prime, I'll set it equals to u plus 1, and b will be 1/2 u plus u. Now be very careful at the signs and the numbers. This thing will be equals, this thing is up front is always itself, plus, multiply them by 1, 3 ln u times u plus 1 to the square, minus 6 ln u times 1/2 u squared plus u, minus the integral of a prime times b, which will be, that will be 1/2 u to the square. So it would be 1/2 u plus 1 du. To simplify this further, it will be negative 1 over u plus 1 to the cube plus 3 ln u plus 1 square minus 6 ln u 1/2 u squared plus u. And since the fraction, take out the parentheses, take out the big parentheses. Oh, my fault, it should be a parenthesis here. So since you take out the parenthesis, there will be plus in front. So it will be 6 times 1/4 u squared plus u. Good thing to know is that 1/2 u plus 1 is actually a very simpler one for everybody to integrate. So now we have the final answer. There's no integration sign there, and this thing looks absolutely nasty because now before you have a very simpler one of u plus 1 to the cube and over u squared, but now this thing is whatever it's called, it's a really ugly one. However, if we keep simplifying this more, it'll get really cleaner. And after this, I'm just going to leave you to the beautiful of cleaning, and I'll keep silence for the rest of the video. So you can admire the beauty of simplification. Now, this is what everybody should be calling the beauty of simplification and the beauty of math.